Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we have another subscription box. This one comes to us from the Knife Subscription Club. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Alright, so we got Knife Subscription Club. If you are interested in this particular service, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. And they have a lot of different boxes to choose from in a couple of different categories. So if you want to check them out, like I said, they have a lot of different boxes. And I tried to just jot down some of the ones that I looked at that led me to this box. They had a basic, an advanced, a premium, and like an ultimate. And then they did offer... They're month to month, but they do offer 3-month and 6-month discounts. If you go ahead and pay for that extended subscription, they will hook you up with a little bit of a discount. And yeah, so yeah, if you're interested, go check them out. And to kind of address a comment that I got, because like I said, in the comment section down below, I do read all the comments, and I try to respond to as many of them as I can. And I actually have a plan to start doing some live streams once the engagement gets up. And I will say this to one particular comment that I got. I do have a lot of knives. Obviously, within all these boxes I do get a large assortment of knives, but the knife video that I'm actually working on right now is more geared toward knives that I specifically sought out and purchased myself for my collection. I think that's going to make more of an interesting video rather than just knives that I get out of these subscription boxes. So let's see, we do have a card, and they give you for the monthly knife club, if you guys want to pause that. And let's see, so they got the advanced plan, the premium plan, the ultimate. Yeah, they have so many boxes. The standard name brand knife plan, the tier 2, and the Onyx. Yeah, here, I'll let you guys check that out. If that focuses, hopefully it will. You can pause that and you can read that. Yeah, they give you a lot of stuff. Welcome back, monthly Knife Club member. This month's advanced plan. So this is an advanced box, I guess. Or no, I don't know what. We'll have to figure out which box this is. Give you a lot of stuff, a lot of information, but we'll just start pulling stuff out here. This is something sizable. A Smith & Wesson Bullseye Throwing Cleaver 3-pack. Okay. I've tried to throw regular throwing knives, and I have about a 70-30 success rate. Stainless steel hydration tool, synthetic sheath. What, hydration tool? Okay. But anyway, this is a... They're very interesting, the shape. A throwing cleaver, and it's okay. Oh, hydration tool is a bottle opener. It's right here on it, if you guys can see that. That's the hydration tool. All right, so, and it has a sheath. You can see here it does have a sheath, and you do get 3 of these things. This is interesting. I have 0 experience with a throwing cleaver. I mean, maybe since it is edged all the way around, I miss a lot, so maybe that would actually help. So maybe I'll take these out and give it a try. And also, in the last box, the bow and arrow set that I got from, what's the name? Hang on, what's the name of this? Gear Scope. The Gear Scope, I put it together. And I'm actually waiting for the weather to get good or to get right so I can do a video on it. But I'm very excited about that particular bow and arrow because it actually looked really, really neat. And I can't wait to bring that video to you guys. Let's see. Cattleman's Cutlery, Farm, Fields, and Family. So we got our first knife. Let's see, little guy's wrapped up in some paper, which is all right. So this is like an old time pocket knife. Okay. All right. So you got your standard like a straight back design on that knife profile there. And we do have another. Ooh, this is like a. What would this be? Like a sheep's foot, kind of like a sheep's foot, but that radius up is a little more aggressive. But yeah, interesting choice for the two blades on this particular knife. So yeah. But yeah, just a really I hate to say like an old time pocket knife, but like this, seeing this takes me back to something like my dad would always have in his pocket, you know. So it's pretty. It has like two different types, at least two different colors of wood in the handle here on both sides. Let's see if I can get a good shot of that. Yeah, you can see the wood's two different colors right here, and it's just the same on the other side. So yeah, handy little pocket knife. Well, let's see. Does it say what? Give me any kind of information about it. And you can tell, guys, this is a lot of writing here that I'm trying to go through here. Let's see. Okay, the Cattleman's Cutlery. It says it's a subsidiary of American Buffalo and Tool Co. It is a trapper knife in burl. All right. Featuring a 400 stainless steel of the blades in a satin finish with burl wood handles. This beauty sits easily in any pocket and is ready to go whenever you need it. All right. And let's see. And it says, up next we have the Bullseye Throwing Cleaver set from Smith & Wesson. This set features 3 stainless steel cleaver blades, each constructed with a full tang along with a bottle opener and black synthetic snap sheath. Weighed and balanced for ideal target hits every time. All right. Okay, well, there you go. Ideal target hits every time, and I guarantee you I can make that very untrue. Just give me the knife and let me throw it, and yeah, it's not going to turn out very, very well. At least about 30% of the time, it's not going to turn out very well. Let's see. Okay, this is one of the companies I don't like. I'm not going to be that harsh. I don't like this. This is their sticker. $4 value in this box. They're charging me in the value of the purchased box for their advertisement. I give them no shine for that. Can't do it. I just don't like that. It's just me, man. I don't like it. Comment section down below. I know I've already got comments from some of you guys telling me that, yeah, this is tacky to throw in this. Throw it in for free. This is your advertisement. Don't charge me for this, especially when it's a knife box. Take that $4 and apply it to the knife. Give me a little bit better knife. Yeah, sorry, it's my rant. Okay, so we got a CRKT Columbia River Knife and Tool. Let's see, where is this? Where's this? Where's this? I don't even see this. Okay. Okay, this is a 2491, right? From CRKT? Yes, 2491. It's called a Squid. From CRKT, it says this it's an EDC compact. Has a handle reminiscent of the legendary M16 knife. Okay. Well, I see. Let's see what we got here. We got a frame lock. It's a stone wash. It is a, let's see, we got kind of like a drop point. Kind of like a drop point. Or like I don't know, like a dagger. Kind of like a dagger point. Because it's kind of like a dagger point, I guess. Doesn't really matter. It's a blade. It's got a point on it. If you like that profile, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But yeah, we got a frame lock on this side, on the bottom there. So let's see what else they say about this knife. of course, it's going to be a CRKT, so it's going to be some of that Chinese steel, that like CR13 MOV, or you know, whatever. But as I've always said, these knives are not bad. You know, they do the job, as long as you just, you know, break a couple of them or ruin a couple of the blades, so you know kind of the limitations of the knife. And then you actually get into some good knife care practices and learn how to sharpen the knives yourself. And the good thing about these knives is you get practice on them, because if you mess the blade up, well, you can always take it somewhere and have somebody fix it and sharpen it properly. But if you mess it up, it really don't matter, because generally the knives are not that expensive. And it says this is a drop point blade. I don't know about you guys, that looks a little rounded to be a drop point, but I guess a drop point, it's fine. Okay, and it's small. It's not that big. You can see there in my small hands, it's very compact. And let's see, I don't have my knife sitting up here. So yeah, it's got a belt clip. And let's see, I do want to know what it's made out of, and probably this is going to be some generic CRK, yeah, some generic stuff. Yeah, alright, so if you want to look this up, it's a 2491 Squid from CRKT, so we got that. Not a bad little pocket knife, very small, won't take up a whole lot of real estate in your pocket. And I guess this is the last thing that we got in this particular monthly knife subscription club. And this is called, from UST, it's 4-inch light sticks. It's a 12-pack. Wow. It's a lot of light sticks, yo. And yeah, it is a 12-pack. And are they, oh, they're all different colors. There we go. We got some green, we got some red. Green, red, did I lie? Yellow, there we go, we got some yellow. So we got green, red, and yellow. All right. So these are, how long do they last? Hours. Provides you hours of rave illumination. So there you go. So you got these, and they're not very big. You know, they're only yay long there. So we got 12-pack of those. Okay, so let's see. Did they give me any prices? Okay, so the advanced plan, I believe the advanced plan would have cost us around 50 bucks. They say that the sticker is worth $4. Yeah, okay. The UST, the lights here are $9. Yeah, that's probably about right. And we got the Cattleman, the Trapper Burl handle, $21.99. That's about right. I would expect to pay around 20 bucks for that knife. And let's see, in the Smith & Wesson throwing cleaver set, around $44. And I can say that's about right, because if you go to any of your big box stores, like, I don't know, like Academy, or I don't know, any out, you know, generic out like Field and Stream, whatever, and you see stuff like this hanging on the shelf, it's probably got around $39 price tag. So I would say that's pretty accurate. And the Squid CRKT knife, $39.99. I don't know, man. You guys are gonna need to fact check that. That sounds high for this little knife. 40 bucks. That sounds high. I don't know. Anyway, that was what was in this monthly knife subscription club. And like I said, if you're interested, I'll have a link to them in the description box. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, and hit that comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this particular box from this company. I know I've done, I think maybe two of these so far. And yeah, I'm kind of on the fence, because I know I get a lot of comments about like stuff like this. You know, this is literally, it's a knife subscription box. Why are you putting something other than knives in a knife subscription box? And that's a very good point, because generally when you subscribe to a knife box, you're kind of giving away, hey, I just want knives. I don't want all this other stuff. You know, just give me knives. Period. End of story. Yes, and I can see that, because like this right here has a $9 value. We'll take that take the $9 value for that, and the $4 value for this. That's 12 bucks. add that to one of these things and just give me something better of that. Keep all that. So that's just my own opinion. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you made it this far, I greatly appreciate you. I will put a subscription button up here, next video over here, and with that, hit that comment section, guys. I want to know what you guys think about any of this stuff. This particular box, if you like it, hate it, whatever. And with that, I hope you have a wonderful evening, morning, sitting on the toilet, whatever you're doing when you're watching this video. I appreciate you, and we will see you next time. Peace.